Okay, so welcome back. Today we will be talking about the add and sub instruction. So the add instruction basically adds together its two operands. So again, it adds the first operand to the second operand. And the sub instruction subtracts the second operand to the first operand and stores it again in the first operand. Okay, so just like the move instruction, add can only work to a registry to a memory, memory to a registry, registry to a constant, and a memory to a constant. So an example is add EAX 20. This basically adds 20 to the value of EAX. Then sub EBX 10 basically subtracts 10 to the value in EBX. Add EAX EBX basically does is it adds EBX to EAX, and subtest var 1 10 means it subtracts 10 at the value stored at the variable name test var 1. Okay, so today we have talked about the add and sub instructions, and I hope to see you again next time.